Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So, you are facing the issues with indentation of bullets like this in Adobe InDesign, where the text on the second line does not align with the first line. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to fix this issue. Stay tuned for the quick solution. Select the text that you want to format as a bulleted style. Open the Paragraph Styles panel. Shortcut key is F11. In this Paragraph Styles panel, double-click on the bulleted styles to open the Style Options window. Go to Bullets and Numbering. Click on the Preview button to see how the bullets will look. I am going to keep this window on the right side. From this window, you don't have to touch anything except this part, bullet or number position. You already know what does alignment do. Arranges your text left align, center align or right align. Also, justify alignment. But that is not our concern right now. You just need to configure the values of only these two inputs, left indent and first line indent. Let's solve this issue. Number 1. Increase the left indent value to move the text away from the bullets. Number 2. Decrease the first line indent value to move the first line of the text closer to bullets. Click OK to apply the changes. To learn more about bullets and numbering, the tutorial link is in the description. Tip of the day. Tip number 1. You can also use Tabs panel to align the text under bullets. As you can see here, these two pointers lying on the scale. Moving the bottom pointer will move both pointers. Moving the upper pointer will only move the upper pointer. You can even adjust the values through this X input. If you are interested in learning everything about tabs, why do we use them, how to use them, then I have added the tutorial link in the description. Tip number 2. If you want to create hanging indent, you should increase the left indent value and then decrease the first line indent by the same amount. InDesign won't allow you any indents beyond this limit. Tip number 3. You can save the formatting that you want to use for a bullet list as a paragraph style. This will make it easy to apply the same formatting to other bulleted lists in your document. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning InDesign indents, issues and their solutions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.